Why does OBS do this to me? Hello! Okay, there we go. Correct microphone this time. Every single time I do this, OBS does this to me. How loud am I compared to the music? I'm guessing really very loud. Hey everyone, welcome. Wait, is that me being loud against the music? Does the music need to be turned up or down? Basically. Welcome, Zesty, Unicorn, Colour, Darken, Terminal, Johnny, and I saw Jax up there as well. Voice up. Voice is at max. Hang on, let me turn it off on the microphone. There we go, is that better? Who else is here? Was there anyone else here? No, I don't think I missed anyone. Cool. Look at that maxed. I'm turn that down a bit. Nice spelling on that, yeah. My gold. I do actually need some. Yeah. I just don't know. I don't really know where the volume is at on anything at the moment. I'll be honest. Look, I don't know if that's Emily or Erin. I think that's Erin because it's Ghosty 2. But yeah. So if I go to, which one is it? This one. That's the one. Go away. Don't have webcam today because screw it. That's right. Funky terminal. Gotta love it. If it couldn't work out, I've been working on new sex recently. So we've got to go organizations, Carberra, and then it would be planning, and then it would be make the. There's a lot of Hikari stuff already here. Hikari series, CD Hikari series. Fuck's sake. Come on, there we go. Alright, cool. No grape. I don't have any grapes. So no grape water today, unfortunately. I've got to hydrate though. Oh god. Right, I'll take a hydrate while the virtual environment's going. Yeah, it is very limited, Unicorn, so you have to wait. I think it's like 3 minutes or something. Alright, well, actually, one thing before I want to do, I want to try and find. Yeah, I want to try and find. Is it in Hikari testing? There's a plan.md somewhere. There is. Okay, so I need to move that over. Plan.md. To here. Okay. Now we can go into code and do stuff. Should you get Pokemon Brilliant Diamonds? No. My friend's getting it in the next few days, so say what? Oh, bottle of water. I couldn't read that there for a second. Okay, yeah, this is the plan I had. Right. So this is the bit of the stream. It's really loud. This is the bit of the stream where we plan what the hell we're doing. So this is kind of... Wow, there's 14 people here. Hi, everyone. So this is... this is the plan. I think I've showed this on stream before, but this is the plan I kind of had at the moment. So you've got the introduction bit, which will be... Well, I think that's just the one video kind of introducing the series and everything. And you've got the setup, which is like, you know, the required installs, optional setup. That is also creating the bot account would be in there as well. Yeah, so we've actually got that chapter kind of sorted there. It's set to 1080p. Good luck. You've got chapter 3, which I put here as messages. here it's running the bot, and here it's... Oh, here it is actually messages. Oh, there's chapter 2. Oh, no, basic functionality is chapter 2, sorry. So you've got this running the bot, shutting the bot down, creating a database, handling errors, and then using a Redis cache would be an additional video. That would be optional. I don't know if that's necessarily the best order to do it, but that's what the planning is for. You got number 3, which is messages. So sending and replying, sending embeds, sending attachments. We may need other stuff on there as well. I don't know. Chapter 4 is currently extensions, but that might have to change. And we've got events, which might come before extensions actually. Oh my god, colour in there with the second hydrate. I'll see if I can make it more audible. That didn't work at all. Hopefully you were able to hear that. I doubt you were though. It's very slick motion. And then information, I think was like user and server information, that sort of stuff. Then you got moderation. Then creating and deleting. I think this is supposed to be like channels, roles, and that. But I've just put snowflakes in there. And then interactions as well. I don't know if we're going to need anything else, but I don't know the best order to really deal with this. Events might have to go in basic functionality. It was good enough. Okay, fair enough. But I guess we'll see about that. Right, so I guess we just get straight into it. Show cam. I don't have the webcam set up, so nah. I'm good. So it'll be, I don't know, tutorial. Whoops. It'll be the name of our folder. And inside here, we'll have init.py. I want to try and make it a bit more understandable than it was last time. Is that enough zoom for people, by the way? So I don't want to massively overcomplicate this. I've got sort of an idea of what I want to do, roughly. But it's far from a final. So I have to say. So you have the init, which I don't know whether to do a .env for the config or not. I don't know if I want to really cover stuff like that. Definitely need more zoom. Really? Okay. There you go. Wow, I can spell. How's that for being able to read it? I really don't want to have to zoom in any more than that. So, give it env. Oh, I don't know if it's going to be too complicated for the series. This is the thing. So, there is very much the option of doing kind of what I did last time and having the secrets, or similar to what I did last time, and having a token file in here and reading this. And then just having the config in the init. I can read it in 360. Well, in that case, it's fine. But in the end, I suppose it's not the absolute worst thing in the world. The only thing is you'd really want to do Max's config, and Max's config is nuts. And I don't really want to deal with that. But there isn't really anything good that I can do that isn't that in terms of an env. So I'm really not sure if I want to do something like that. Well, it's one line to read it. It's easy enough to read it. It's easy enough to understand the actual env file itself, which is why I put the how's this apparently. But the thing that I'm talking about, let's see if I can bring it up. The thing that I'm talking about is Is this zoomed out? That's zoomed out. Is this thing. So this involves meta classes, which automatically puts it on advanced. Well, if you have like, I mean, you have the token in there, but you'd probably want to have like channel IDs and stuff in there as well, which would then become integers, and then you'd need something like this to actually be able to convert the types out. Well, no, I don't have to use that, but what else would I use? What else would I use that's any good? Just in when you need it. Well, then you're creating a different mess. I don't want to have to do that every time. So I can't just use env and call it a daily. That's the thing. This is the whole point. Yeah, but it's not efficient either. It's not really the ideal way to do it. I suppose. I guess what we could do. I was going to say what we could do is have an env in here and then set everything in the init. Like convert everything out in the init, but why not just have everything in the init anyway? Do it once. Hard code the token, yeah. Well, if I'm having to convert it in the init anyway, why don't I just store it in the init to begin with? I don't need a token file. True. That is a point. Alright, we'll just... Perhaps I speak for the env using IDE. Yeah, well, yes, basically. How is it easier to clone? They're being available in the main file, but it will just be here. It will always be here. I suppose we'll start. You know, we'll actually install the stuff and actually like get the bot going, and then we'll try and do stuff in the env. Because you really have to change in the end, but you don't have to change it. We'll see. We'll see. But I actually need to. Oh, that's big. I actually need to install some stuff. This is ZSH, so that needs to be like that. UV loop, AP scheduler, Hikari light bulb, AI SQLite. Probably gonna need AO files too. Probably gonna need PS util at some point. We're gonna need Socket at some point. I don't think we need anything else, do we? I think that's all we're gonna need. I think. That's gonna take years. Oh, what the hell? Is it not Hikari Sake? What is it then? We're not doing music in this series. JSON. UV loop is basically just fast racing go. Oh yeah, it's from the bloody repo, isn't it? Well, screw Hikari Sake for now. I'm not going to bother using it right now. Have I just had all those cached? Well, that was quick. I just want to check it installed the right version of light bulb. Hikari light bulb 2.0.0. Okay, it did. Fantastic. Okay, so so in in here Do import Hikari. Oh my god. Import light bulb. I don't know if I want to bother doing subclassing this particular time. So you don't really need to. Oh, there's a hydrate. How your terminal looking? Nice. Starship. You can find my config in my .files repository. That was an audible bottle of water. Is UV leak required? No. It is not. How does this work? I completely forget. I am also not getting any help from... Oh, because it's not bot, it's bot. Oh, it's also bot app now, isn't it? Yeah, it's bot app. Token, or just passing as token for now. Prefix can be... We'll just have it exclamation mark, screw it. And then what else is there? Ignore bots, owner IDs, default enable guilds. We'll actually want that. This is the thing that I did, hey. Which is this server. And if it's still programmed in the way that I programmed it, that should be fine. Welcome, Neon. Thought you're doing okay. Help class, help slash command, help slash, yeah. Taking that. To the umbrella, case insensitive prefix commands, yeah, we'll want that. This is already becoming quite a long line. Gonna just sort that out. I've decided I'm going to go into this without really looking at how I did it previously. Because I feel like that's the best way to do it. Okay, we're already going to need the env. So I guess if I do it in... Oh, if we need the env, then we need that. So it'd be imports... .env, and then it'd be, oh god, is it .env load is load.env. Okay. The only problem is I can't really show what I'm putting in the .env because the token is going to be going in here. That's also not where I want to go. This one. And don't make me sign in. Okay, good. Why do you take? Yeah, because I'm putting the bloody token in it, like you were telling me to for ages. Okay, that's fine. We could just regenerate that. I completely forgot I was on the stream. Genuinely, actually forgot I was on the stream. All right, so that token doesn't matter anymore. I'm very lucky. I just had the screen open, to be honest. And then I guess we'll have in here default guilds, and then we'll have, because that's now on the paste buffer, which is kind of annoying. Let's just get rid of those out of the paste buffer. There we go. Okay, so I've also thrown the other one in there too. So I do not remember how this works. I haven't had to worry about this for a long time. .env equals load.env. Oh, does it become just... Oh, I think it just becomes in the thing. Interesting. And if we have... Oh, we're not going to bother with version. That was annoying before. That is a very good job that that token didn't matter. So it'd be what? OS. Oh, for God's sake. import OS isort do your magic. Thank you. Environ. Oh, it's that, innit? Token. That's correct, isn't it? And it'll be int os.environ. I wonder if I'm annoying anyone doing that. Default guild. Just give me 2 seconds to check that's correct. Yeah, that is. I'll do default guild ID. And ID. I guess it really depends on how much we want to put in the end, how much of a problem that becomes, but I guess we'll see in our own time. So we have what I think it's bot.listen, and then Hikari.starting event, right? Yeah, I'd say it might be connected. And then I have no idea what we're going to put in here, really. I also don't know how strictly I want to type hint this either. I guess I'll be pretty strict with it. And then, well, that's just not going to do anything at the moment. Actually, isn't this the one that breaks it on WSL? I think I think if you have an on-starting event on WSL, it shatters. So I might leave that for now. Bot.listen. For some reason, there's this weird bug where like certain REST events just lock up the entire bot. And I couldn't tell you why. It's some sort of AIO HTTP bug. There we go. Oh yeah, there's no self in it, is there? I'm so used to doing everything in classes. And then would be event awaits. Oh, we're gonna need them. Give me 1 second. While we get transported to Middle America, apparently. Channel ID. Oops. ID. And then we want. That's fine. So it'd be. Why am I doing that? Bot.get channel. That didn't autocomplete. I'm a bit worried about that. There isn't one. There isn't that either. What? How do you get a channel? Am I missing something? Change code theme. Oh god, okay. I'm gonna have to bring the Twitch chat up. Give me 1 second. In the meantime, can someone look at the docs how you get the channel? Oh yeah, it's cash in it. I forgot. Thank you. Oh, I can't. Come on. Oh, the hot dog stand one again. No, why have you done this? I can't believe you've done this. I'm installing. I uninstalled this. Oh, God's sake. I only uninstalled this like a week ago. Okay. Right. We'll deal with this until the timer gets like. We'll do with this for like a minute and that's it. Oh god, I can't see anything. The ruler lines are really are really quite clear. Sorry, 8 people is 13. You've blinded 13 people. Cache. Oh, at least I can see the autocomplete. That's quite nice. Get channel. And then int os.environ. Oh, my eyes. It says 13 for me. It's, yeah. Burn out your eyeballs in 15 seconds. Yeah, I think that's happened. What even is the thing? I've forgotten. Okay, we'll finish this line, which I've now finished. Oh God, how do I change it back? Color theme. That's almost. That wasn't any better. What is a dark eye? Ooh. It's Eye Mirage border. I don't know why, but if you look up here, Eye Mirage bordered appears. That appears to be the only difference. I don't know why. Oh hello. There's also Dark Visual Studio, which just gives me horrible flashbacks. Yeah, what's Kimball Dark? Oh, that's quite a nice one. You got Monokai, which just looks awful now. Oh, look at that, it looks terrible. Monokai dimmed. It looks okay. And you got Red, Solarized Dark, Tomorrow Night Blue, High Contrast. Wow, look at the lines. Oh God, why? It did it again. I think Abyss was quite nice. But never mind, it was terrible. Oh God. Okay, we're just gonna go back to what we were. Oh, my eyes actually hurt. Control Shift P and then like a theme. Welcome Cider to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. No, we're just gonna get channel. I've still got the preview on my other screen. I'm gonna get rid of that because that's extremely distracting. And await channel.send online. There's a Fortnite one? Oh God. Hang on, let me actually like do some coding. Oh, we haven't actually done the bit of the bot yet. From tutorial.bot import bot. And then if name double equals main. Oh, God's sake. If os dot name does not equal nt, then import os. My eyes are still reeling from that, by the way. I hope you're proud. Import UV loop, and then UV loop. Oh God, UV loop dot install, and then bot equals bot, and then bot dot run. I think no, that's not what we want to do. Oh God, I'm gonna have to look something up. How did I? Why am I here? That's. Oh my God, that's quite true. CD. Because I did it fine here. I remember how I did it here. How did I do it here? So I had. Oh, I did everything in the main. Oh, I didn't even have a bot file. Okay, we can work with that. We can work with that. So everything here comes into here. Well, that was quite a smooth transition, actually. And then, okay, right. Please enable effects. Is that fancy effects? I don't know if I'm going to subclass the bot. Here, Johnny, I'll change this thing. I'll get the bot running and then we'll subclass it. Sorry, not activate the theme. I don't know if I'm going to subclass the bot. The thing is, the extensions now work a lot like tangents components, so you don't subclass those. So, God damn it. So I don't know. Could not pass statement starting at line 3. Why? Hang on. V won't be there, it'll be here. I need to remember what I've done. No, it's not going to be there. There, then there. No, it's not there. it'd be here, it'd be here. And I don't know when this is going to load up. So I'm going to quickly switch to this, just so I don't accidentally leak Carberra's token. Because that would be quite bad. Oh, go away. He has to open it. Oh, it's an equals. Okay, we're fine. It's fine. I didn't make a mistake. I didn't screw it up. Oh, I've got to move it over anyway. Oh, why does everything work differently? There's so many file standards in Python. That's the problem. And none of them work different. None of them work the same. Cache implementation is not attribute get channel. You lied to me, Neon. Oh, I still get in. That's the thing. That might be better than just directly hooking into an Environ, but this is kind of the standard that everyone uses, though. But getting might be better. Ah, we're one off. No. God. No. I was gone. Right. We're fine. We'll just do it the old-fashioned way. I think it's less characters as well to get in fire. Oh, it's the same number. Let's go. So I was gonna say it's a function call, so we're gonna be wasting time. It doesn't matter. We've got massive overhead. Welcome, Dav. Oh, get guild channel. Okay. Don't use get in. All right. Well, we're going back. We're going back to what we had. You lied to me again, Neil. Why is get in bad? Non-type object does not attribute send. For Christ's sakes. What? Why? Why do you hate me? That's definitely the correct... That must be the right channel ID, surely. 845. Because it can return none and confuse people instead of erroring out with the key error. I thought it... Well, does it not work like a get? Like a dict get? Don't use get guild chat. Alright. Well, what do I use then? It's all changed. Dot create channel. Oh yeah, because it's probably not in the cache yet, is it? Are you sure it's create channel? Create message. Oh god, it's literally all changed. Create message. Alright. So what goes in here? The channel. Okay. Snowflake-ish or. Okay, so I could just put the ID in here, that's fine. Forever. Yeah, I've never done it like this before. And then the content. I'm gonna guess that's the message to send, which should be online. Alright, is that gonna work now? Unknown channel, for Christ's sakes. Oh, I haven't got it online yet, have we? It's not the wrong ID. I'm sure it's not the wrong ID. I'm telling you, it's not the... Actually, I think it is the wrong ID. Give me 1 second. I think I've used the guild ID. Come on, VS Code. There we go. Yes, I have. In my confusion, I used the wrong ID. Amazing. Oh. Have we got something? We have something! Oh my god. Alright, I'm moving this down on multiple lines as well. Tutorial bot is now online. Woo! Okay, so I am going to send the invite for the development slash testing slash whatever the hell you want to call it server. And then we are going to... Oh, there's a few people here that are just joined out. I thought we were already here. And then we're going to change the theme. We're actually going to do the theme. Can I do it from here? What is it? Fire what? Oh god, I've whacked my mouse. I've completely forgotten what it was. Oh, it's bloody Fortnite, of course it is. Oh my god, why? Right. I think this will probably be quite nice. That looks alright. I don't know why this one's installing in WSL and the other one didn't, but oh well. It's alright. It's a bit dark for my liking, but it's alright. Yeah, we'll keep this for a decent amount. Okay, cool. So we have the bottom line. Finally, it took far too long. Show off my 90s. What do you mean? What? Yeah, you did very much come to the rescue. So we had... Okay, so does this still complain? Oh, I can't see the cursor. Oh, that's actually a real problem. Well, I know it's Fortnite. Oh yeah, I don't understand. I don't know anything about Fortnite. So any jokes you make about it are gonna be not good. I am starting. Ooh. No, we can get rid of. We could not print this anymore. I genuinely cannot see the cursor. Right, does WSL crash? Oh my god! It actually doesn't. They may have fixed the bug. Thank you, QT Teen, for the 2 gift subs. They went to Dark332 and Johnny. Jean. Thank you. So I wonder, did that appear as an alert on the stream? I have no idea if the alerts are even still working. Okay, so we actually have a starting thing, and it actually works. That bug from before. Hikari hasn't updated, so I'm presuming that it was fixed on the HTTP side. Oh, this shade of green is horrid. Will do. Alright, what comes next? I'm not actually sure what bit comes next. So we've got... So where are we in the plan? So this, we can say that these 2 are planned. The optional setup, the required installs and setup. That's done now. We have the bot running, that's all we'd need. Although we're going to need a scheduler on it. You can from a ap scheduler.schedulers. I'm doing that wrong. .asyncio, that's the one. Import asyncio. Oh god. Asyncio scheduler. There we go. And we could do bot. I can't use this theme anymore. I can't see the cursor. Oh, why does it always go to that one? There we go. Scheduler and then bot.scheduler.config time zone equals UTC. And then we're going to do from PyTZ import UTC. There you go. We'll give it a shot and have a look. We might need to subclass it in that case. Yeah, okay, we're gonna need to subclass it. That's fine. So in that case, I probably will create a separate bot file. Class bot, which will inherit from lightbulb.bot. And then we're gonna import Hikari. I'm gonna import Dickory, and we're gonna import Doc as well. Is it Hickory Dickory? It is Hickory Dickory Doc. Bot.d, and then that is not what? Bot.d, is that like a data thing? What, so like this? Bot.d.scheduler. What? What is this? Okay, I forgot that was new. What does it set D as? Data store. Is this? Oh, it's its own thing. Something to store the data. Force them to subclass. Well, it used to be subclass heavy, but now it's very much not. Oh, this is literally just. Yeah, just a real. Yeah, it's just a bolt-on thing. Even inherits from Dick. That's actually kind of funny. Would people rather me subclass or do it like this? Because I feel like using this .d is the intended way of doing it. Yeah. It's not necessarily how I would do it, but we'll deal with it. It's still easier to use than that dependency detection in tangent. Basically just Dick, which inherits from it, yeah. Yeah, Twitch is annoying, especially on mobile. Oh, hey Tomo. I didn't actually notice you when you were sending the other messages for some reason. I think because your name is grey on the screen that I'm looking at my chat on. So it's dark grey on black, which I think is maybe why I missed it. So I guess that's our bot. So I suppose we just now start on modules. No, wait. So we've done we need to do the optional setup stuff. I have no idea if Redis is even still installed. I've reset my WSL like 3 times since I last did this. For God's sake. Snap needs to like release this on the actual PyPy. Wait, it is on PyPy. Why did it install? Huh? Or PyPI is I suppose it's technically called. What is this? Isn't it on there anymore? Was it deleted? It's on there. Requires 3.9. Yeah, I'm on 3.10. There's a good chance that the setup means it only runs on 3.9. Yes, I think that is the case. I think it's refusing to install it on 3.10. Let me just verify that. Oh, Let me first make a requirements.txt of all the stuff I have. So Hikari, light bulb. Actually, I've got to install the one anyway, ain't I? Hey, thanks for the sub, terminal. Bit version is like 21.2, which I think is like 25,000 like years out of date, but doesn't work on 310. That's annoying. I wonder if I can install it, because it's got that branch, isn't it, that you have to use anyway. Otherwise, it's Brock. Which does work on 3.10, according to this. This should install. Never mind. Toss. Oh, because that's not how you do it. At task dispatch. Oh, that's not it either. Oh, I forgot how to do it. I've drunken. Alright, see you later, Dev. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, it's toss-up dispatch, that's why. There we go. Hey! We have sake. And I do not remember how to use it, so I'm gonna go and find that. Oh, we're going through there. I can just go through here. It should be in the old Hikari testing one. Work on a project when you store 100,000 plus key value pairs in a dictionary, then use that dictionary to sort by using key. What's the best way to do it? If you need to sort it, just use the sorted thing. I think if you just do like sorted dict, it should just sort it by alphabetized key. Yeah, it'll probably take a while, but it's a way to do it, technically. What you could probably do is do sorted. You can convert it to a tuple and then do it. That'll be like orders of magnitude faster. You could just sort by the key and then probably convert that back out to a dict if you really need to. But is it client or bot? I don't remember. One of these used Sake, I'm pretty sure. Ah, it's here. I don't know if we need to attach this to anything. This is the problem. I'm really not sure. Import sake. Cache equals sake dot redis cache self address equals redis 127.0.0.1. Oh, this is a problem. Oh, it'll be bottom bot, and then await cache.open. Sort of just using SQL basically at that point. SQL, that's sort of what it was built for. So if you store it in a database, just pull it. You can use order by, specify the column, and then either ascending or descending. You'll be able to work it out. Yeah, but I think he means like alphabetized. Oh, right, yeah. You don't need to specify order dict anymore. I think that's from 3.8 onwards only though, or 3.7 or something. It used to be the case that ordered dict and dict were completely different things, but there was a change that meant that dict is now ordered. Because it never used to be. Here's a question. Do I have... Is it 4? Close enough. Planning, Hikari, series, and then Redis. Do I have the commands? No, I don't. Programs, utilities, scripts. Oh god, that's not what I wanted to do at all. Scripts, CD installers. I think I have a Redis installer in here. Yeah, I just don't know if it works. I know it was a bit broken. I don't know if I patched it. Definitely doing something. This is 3.6, so was that early? Damn. Mind you, I think the version of Python I was having issues with the dict ordering was 3.4, to be fair, so that makes sense. Okay, cool. 2, no, 1, no, 3. Somewhere on the stack, there we go. Redis server. Hey, there we go. Does work. Vidstream frozen. Just reload it, I suppose. So that should just kind of work. Hang on, I'm gonna do a big old log. Log equals logging dot get logger, and then we want name. And I might just need to import logging, but I don't know. I might need to. Is that? Yeah, that is all correct. Log.info connected to Redis server. Just so we have some information. Why do I keep doing that? Just so we have some information about what's going on. Loop argument must agree with lock. Oh, for Christ's sakes. Oh, is it locked up? Oh no, it hasn't. Have I done something differently? I don't know why I've actually awaited this. Yeah, I don't know why I've done that. Can you use Sarko Windows? I think so. Pretty sure you can. I can just quickly double check for you. Okay, well, maybe not so quickly, but you can, according to this. So yeah. You need the Redis server running on WSL then. Hey, look at this. The Redis server running on WSL. But it's just not working for some reason. I don't know why. Redis pool. It just says loop argument must agree with lock, which is the single most useless error I've ever read in my life. I don't see any errors currently. We are on a different Redis version than we were before. So, I don't know. Oh, it might. Is it a Python 3.10 problem? Whoa, what the hell is going on here? Py warnings. Member cache resource will not function properly without the following intents. Oh, we need the intents. That would probably help. Intents.all. Oh, that might be why it was breaking, actually. Because it's capital I. It's going to be an optional thing. So you can do it if you want, but you don't need to do it. But I want to do all the optional ones while I'm doing everything else. Why is this not working? Also, it doesn't look as though the intents go here. I'm presuming it's a Quag situation. Quags. I'm guessing Quags, yeah, to the constructor of the gateway bot class, which would include the intents. So that's fine. Well, UV loop has been. Is it a UV loop problem? No, it's not a UV loop problem. The thing is, no one uses this library, so I can't even get debugging help. Thing is, this. On top of that, this just worked in the infernal words of the even more infernal Todd Howard. It just worked. And now it just simply isn't. What if I move it in here? Maybe the event's happening at a slightly weird time. No, it doesn't care. Does it actually work for you? So it worked for me before. Like, this used to work. So I have no idea. Hey Matej, how you doing? I don't know what it's just, I don't know. Can you show me the code you've got, Tom? Just like DM it or something. I'll have this open. For now, I guess we'll just band it and do something else until I get the code. Found it. Okay, let me have a look at that. Oh, that's fair. It's not possible to instantiate a synchro.condition that wraps an asynchro lock without raising a loop argument must agree with lock condition. That very much does seem like a Python 3.10 bug. Alright, let me see. Okay, I do actually want the requirements. So, Hikari, light bulb. We want AP schedule. Am I annoying anyone with Hikari yet? Oh, go away. AIO files, and then UV loop, and git plus https .com/faster speeding /sake at task/raw-dispatch. Is there one I'm missing? I really don't know. Oh, okay, I don't know why that song's even still in there. Oh, we need python.inv. And then we need that's it. I don't know. I think it's a very, very old website that they just haven't really updated. Okay, I'm going to create a Python 3.9 venv. Oh, why are you doing this? No, why would I ever want that? I've already oh no, there we go. So pip install -r requirements txt. What now? Oh, it's a Hikari light bulb. I thought there was a module called light bulb because I thought I accidentally installed it once. Oh, right, it's a Hikari speed ups in there. Oh god. After October 2020, you may experience errors when installing outdated packages because pip will change the way it resolves dependency conflicts. Oh, God's sake. Async HTTP 3.7.4 post 0 requires async timeout. You know, I'm gonna use the new resolver and see if that just fixes things. Feature equals 2020 resolver. No such. I don't know if it's even gonna. Oh, that was new. There we go. It's installing all sorts. Installing loads of stuff. There we go. Welcome NG to the stream, by the way. Hope you're doing okay. Not report anything. Okay, so does the bot work? It is a Python 3.10 problem. How bizarre. Didn't actually do anything though. Oh, did I? I might have commented it out. Oh, I commented it out. That might be why it works so well. Okay, yeah, we got something. It is a Python 3.10 bug. We also didn't install UV loop. Wait, what? Why didn't we install? Oh, we didn't. Oh, it's all broken. There's like some sort of weird bug with pylon. So if you do stuff like in a really weird way, then it just shatters. I don't know why. It like can't find the installs. Change the Python interpreter. Why? I don't think that's gonna fix it. I can't really change the Python interpreter. It's either 3.9. Wait, why have I got 3.9.0? It's using your Python 3.11, is it? Oh, it is. Why is it doing that? I told it to use the 3.9. Oh, there we go. Now I'm using the 3.10 venv, it works. Oh god. Visual Studio Code works flawlessly exactly all of the time. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Don't know what's going on there. I also don't know why I installed 3.9.0 when installing Python 3.9. That was a bit dumb of me. Okay, so yeah, that works. Yeah, that's all you have to do for that. But most of that video will be taken up by actually installing thingamabob, actually installing Redis. Alright, see you later, Soda. Not Soda, Colour. Running the bot. Oh, we've done that as well. Oh, we've done that. Oh, we've done all of that. Oh, what the hell? Oh no, this is just installing stuff. So this is installing Presumably our Python packages. I don't know what other setup we'd need. I genuinely don't know what other setup I need in there. The optional setup would be... So this is going to be like Git stuff. Getting like Git repositories and stuff going. I don't know. I don't really remember what I was going to do here. Database I'm going to use. Just SQLite. It's easiest. I'm not going to Postgres territory with this. Okay, so we've now planned up to 3.1. Well, that was good. Although we are doing things in the wrong order. Oh wait, no, we're doing things. Oh my god, okay, hang on. I forgot there's like 8 tables. So we've done that. We've done that. We haven't done shutting the bot down. We have done using a Redis cache. Because why not? Yeah, the optional step and stuff. Running the bot. Yeah, next one is shutting the bot down. Okay. So this would require probably making a command here. Is that the thing you can do? Nope. Lightbulb dot. Oh, this is all different now. So lightbulb dot implements, and then oh god knows how you do this bit. No, for God's sake, I need to go to the lightbulb docs to work this one out. Hikari lightbulb docs. Yeah, that's where I'm going. 1.5.2. Nice. Oh, you did go with this theme in the end, huh? Interesting, interesting. So first you do a U-turn about decorator stacks. Now you do a U-turn about the theme. Well, it does look better with an icon. Once you get the icon going, it'll look a lot better. The sidebar does look a bit weird without it. How did you get this? I don't think I've got this. Have I got it? I'm pretty sure I haven't got that on mine. Yeah, I just got this bit at the side. That's a mega sus. Oh Jesus, okay. I think yeah, I don't know. Top tree is cool news. Apparently you got some like nut stuff on there. I'll have to look into what you've done. So it would be, I guess it would be the extension guide. Sort of. Oh wait, you can do plugins too? Oh wait, no, because you've got plugins. Oh yeah, because yeah, you've just done. Yeah, okay. Right, I see. What you need to do at the moment is creating commands. The influence decorator, yeah. Oh, so from lightbulb import commands. Okay, cool. From lightbulb import commands. Why? That's in the right place. Oh, we've got to hydrate. Whoop. My monitor is deafeningly bright. Wow. Oh god. So commands dot prefix command. We're gonna do both. Screw it. We are rebels of nature. Option decorate. Do we need an option? No, we don't need an option for this, do we? Wait, the option goes at the top. This is like an interesting order. Yeah, fair enough. Well, you can do bot command as well. And then, oh god. So it needs to be bot command like that. Process bottom up. Yeah, that's true. I think it's the opposite way around to the way that Click does it though. I think Click has the command at the top and then all the options come underneath, so I don't know how it does that. But also I think Discord.py does it the other way around too, which is super weird. Okay, so this should work now like this. Context. Oh god, where is it? Context. Is that gonna let me follow that? It is gonna let me follow that. Okay, cool. That miraculously worked. I wonder, will this miraculously work? No. Okay, fine. Like auto knows that you need to set about 100 Dunder attributes to the function. Oh god, really? That seems annoying. Yeah, and the decorators are, because each one wraps the one above, so they're all kind of processed in a specific order. So it'd be await ctx.bot.close, I think. Oh, it's almost like we're watching a triple jump top 10 video with this music. I've been watching far too much triple jump. What song is this? Oh, it's so bright. And the bad snacks. Okay. Does close take any arguments? Literally no. Okay. It's just so. Oh right. Okay. Yeah, that might help. 2 require positional arguments. Okay. Shuts down the bot. What was what? So shut down. It does work. The interaction does fail. The height app. Oh, the what? Oh, that was Windows Media Player. Basically, the way I queued the songs, Groove doesn't support that way of doing it. And what I need to do is I need to get VLC, and then you can have VLC playlists within OBS. Yeah, that's true. So I don't even know how to do that. CTX dot what respond? I don't know if respond works in slash commands. Oh, I guess it must be. Shutting down. Shut down. Hey, there we go. I'll bring this actually over here so we can see it working with our own eyes. There you go. Cool. This would be a bit weird if it didn't do that, to be honest. And if we do this... Oh my god. The implementation. So does... I'm presuming the context gets modified, or like a different context gets passed through depending on what's implemented. Too cracked. Yeah, big time. I do wonder what type of context gets passed through with both. The prefix. Oh, it actually gets to how it's invoked. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, okay. Okay. That works. So you can do some fancy stuff. If it's a slash command, so you can probably check his instance. That's cool. That's cool. Oh my god. So I'm guessing slash commands or slash content. Yeah, slash content is all in the context. Okay. Should maybe consider like upping the context stuff so you can do like that. Whoops. For easier type hinting. Because the moment you have to do that is a bit annoying. Also, I think my playlist ran out. Wah! Right. Okay, we're fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm not dead. Okay, cool. Just restart that. Get the sub packet. You should be able to, though, right? I haven't done anything mega complicated in terms of like package order, really, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm not dead. That's what I said. Chicken burger or normal burger? Plant burger. Oh, really? That's weird. We're gonna have a hydrate. That's such a disconcerting noise. Don't have that home. Well, isn't that what the normal burger... I don't know what the normal burger is, to be completely honest with you. I guess the normal one might be beef or something. Burger, beef, okay. It did sound a bit like a burp, yeah. Just a burp in a very strange container. Yeah, so the shutdown command. Thing is, I'm kind of at odds because I want to talk about shutting the bot down here, but then I also want to do like it involves commands, and commands don't come into play until episode 4. Made a PR to Hikari and show. Okay. Oh, is that to up it to like Bob 2? So the next one is creating a database. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a real quick poll. See what people want to do. Poll. Start a new poll. Okay, cool. Continue on as before, or look at Tomo's PR. You have the say. Cool. So next going to be creating a database and handling errors. I don't know how I'm going to do error handling yet. As such. I don't know if I want to do it in the main or not. Would it even be possible in the main? Oh yeah, it would, because you can do... be what, bot.listen. You know, maybe have this. Yeah. Bot.listen. Hikari.note lightbulb dot command error events. There we go. Async def on error. And then it's not self. Why do I keep doing that? Hikari dot command error event. And that returns none. Yeah, Thomas PR got the win. So we're gonna be scrutinizing you. First, real quick, I do want to see light bulb. No, it'd be. Imagine it'd be just Hikari.error event. Hikari error, I guess, would be the one. Maybe. I don't know. Hikari error. And then that's going to be none. Okay, so. Over we go. Let's have a look at PR, shall we? I haven't tested the code. You never do. Nice. I like the formatting that GitHub has adopted for that. Oh yeah, I never actually updated it, the Hikari intro, to even use the default enabled guilds, even after I built the thing. Nice. Nice spelling mistake, by the way. Just gonna... Comments back in. Oh, do you want to just like recommit it real quick? Yeah, change the typo as well. Oh my god. It's doing all the songs we've heard before already. It did claim it to be untested. Yeah, well. True. True. That could all be done now. For now. Setting is part tested. True. You can, I suppose, before we wouldn't pick up on this, but there is that code spell library that is almost useless, in my opinion. But my testing suite has it anyway, so whatever, I suppose. Database or errors first. Let's do another poll. Oh, go away. Firefox, stop being annoying. What to do? Database, error handling, go. God's sake, Twitch, come on. Work with me here. Because, yeah, the database shouldn't be too hard. I imagine the database will probably go in here. You'd have to have a separate data. And a build SQL. In there as well. Alright, no worries. Who needs spelling? We can use abbreviations. True. I18N for the win. There's also one that I found out recently called A11Y, which I had no idea what it meant, but it, ironically, actually, I want to see if anyone knows what it means. Before I go spoil it. So I want to show how stupid this abbreviation is. It is stupid and dumb. It is an abbreviation. In the same way that I18N means internationalization, A11Y means something. And it's dumb. It's big dumb. Bingo. A11Y is accessibility, which I find utterly, utterly ridiculous. Yeah, nice Google search, by the way, LolXD. Error handling won the poll. 1 vote to 0. So I'm going to do that. Fortunately, I don't know what I'm doing. It's a bit of a problem, but it's fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to test this. Print event. I want to see if that like runs it. Cannot subscribe to a non-event type. I'm guessing this isn't an event type. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Voice error. Oh yeah, so this is just all different types of errors. It's just grow in length as time goes on. Welcome Gherkin to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. How does it become accessibility? Because there's A and then there's the Y and then 11 characters, yeah. It is big dumb energy. Is it exception event? Thank you. Sweet. Oh. I made a boo-boo. It's almost like we're watching a Michael MJD video in his music. See, it's only when you actually use the music in the YouTube audio library yourself when you realise everyone else uses it too. Ever since I started using it, I notice it in well, I actually got quite a few from Dank Pods, and then Michael MJD uses a lot of the ones I use, and then I think I've gotten some from him too, and then Triple Jump uses a lot of the ones I use. They use a lot of Bad Snacks, the same as me, so there's a lot. Every time I watch a Triple Jump video, or at least one of the lists, it's always it's quite funny actually. But yeah, C5A. Oh god. One actual meme. Thanks for the follow, by the way, Gherkin. Do appreciate it. In before my activity feed on my tablet is not on the right screen. There we go. So I don't know what kind of subtypes there are. I guess we just raise the event.exception for the time being. Because I don't actually know. So in Discord.py it had like a ton of stuff, but I don't know. I don't even remember what events. I don't even remember what errors it had, let alone anything else. Sorry, let alone how you ever convert them into Hikari. But Cogs, is it all done? No, it's all done within the bot. Amazing. Oh, there wasn't one. It was just a wrapper to say. That's interesting. So failed event, starting event, failed callback. Okay, so so essentially what I'm looking at is this from Carberra, Carberra. Specifically this bit, if equals on command error, then do that. The on error event is, I've actually just realised how badly programmed the on error event actually is in Discord.py. Considering that I believe you can just do if is subclass event. Oh, is it always going to be an exception event actually? No, it's always going to be if is instance event dot exception lightbulb dot command error event. Then we want to do await event dot bollocks. Where the hell are we going to put this? Why is it bad? How long do you use the code through some request? It depends how good it is. If it's quite a nice one for a while, if it's hot dog stand, then like 20 seconds. Well, I've had some pretty bad experiences trying to get the Discord.py one to be a bit more fluid. So you have this which is a string, or something else. This I think can be one of about 3 different types. So if it's if it's a command error, then this would be on command error. If it's a standard error, then it's a completely different type entirely, I think. And then the arguments don't. I think the arguments aren't always there, and if they are, they're of inconsistent types anyway. I tried to make an error handler that sat on top of the on error that could like pass the errors in the right format, or pass the errors in an easier format, but it was just impossible due to the way it works. That'd be called by the handler if a listener for command error event exists. Oh really? Okay, in Discord.py it routes itself through on error, I think first. Oh no, it routes itself through here, and then you raise the original exception, and then it goes through here. Okay. So I guess there's no real point in this. But so raise event exception again. That's 2 lines to ignore in Discord.py. What do you mean? Well, I mean, well, if you want to create a more comprehensive error handler, like I wanted to do, I can't remember exactly what I was trying to do with it, but I spent hours and hours and hours trying to do it. But everything is so massively inconsistent. Oh yeah, that was it. I was trying to pass like a consistent set of arguments through. So instead of having args and quargs, you'd have a consistent set of parameters that you could kind of go into without having to access args as a list. That's what it was, because arg0 for commands is context. Arg0 for message and event errors doesn't exist at all, so it just doesn't get passed through at all. Like it's not like it doesn't get like it's not even like it gets passed as none or anything. It just doesn't get passed through at all. And then the error is also inconsistent because that could either be a string or something else. It's just a complete and total mess. It's awful. You'd never be able to type hit that. But anyway, I digress. What errors are there? I don't even remember. If is instance event lightbulb dot summing command not found. Command not found. There we go. We don't want to do anything. Actually, we'll just return it. If well, that's custom errors. Well, I don't know how many I actually want to do. Actually, no, I can go into my Hikari testing and see how many I did there. Because I did a number of them. Oh, but not in the tangent bot. So I've got to cycle through the commits. They've also changed the UI so it doesn't say 16 commits anymore. It just says 16. Oh, that was just... Okay, it's probably dependent on screen size then, I imagine. This used to go to 190, but now Firefox wants to put it at 200, I don't know why. That's also not what I wanted to do. I wanted to go to after stream number 2. I wanted to browse the files. I wanted to go into Hikari testing, bots, extensions, error. Okay, so I had a command not found, then I had not enough arguments, too many arguments, command is on cooldown, and command invocation error. Which is a bit bizarre. I don't know why I had that specifically. Oh, there's also a link that Tom has kindly sent me. What, does this tell you all of them? Yeah, well, it already tells you some of them. I was mainly going through for like just examples of the actual errors themselves. Oh, come on, I found has already been done. Not enough arguments. Also, this inheritance change, I think you used to have to do lightbulb.errors, didn't you? Await event.context.respond. There are some missing arguments. That's not even a string. Arguments. And then dot join. Event.exception.missing args. Is this the same? Guessing it is. Bottom is all errors. Okay, cool. We'll see which ones we actually want to implement. Oh wow, there are a lot of them. Insufficient cache, because that's not when you can just go up, right? Okay, fair enough. Command invocation error, command is on cooldown, command I found. Alright, cool. If is instance event light bulb dot too many arguments. Well, that doesn't exist anymore. According to this. Oh, hang on. Damn it. Okay, yeah, that just outright does not exist anymore. And or rename that. Okay. Is it missing options? Oh, fair enough. And then too many arguments just outright doesn't exist, so we'll just get rid of it. What other ones have I had? Command is on cooldown, but I'll do... Is missing required arguments still on? No, I guess that's not enough arguments. Command is on cooldown. I'm gonna get tired. Only been up for 2 hours, fuck. Return away. Mind you, I've been awake for stupid amounts of time, so that's probably contributing to it somewhat. Command is on cooldown. retry again. This needs to be returned, and this needs to not be that. Try again in event.exception .retry. I'm guessing that still exists. Oh, it's retry after though. I'll put that on a separate line. No, that's not what I want to do. There we go. That still exists as a thing. Yeah, we'll go to 2 hours. I'll come off because my god. Yeah, I've suddenly become very tired. Wow. All my things are in a weird order. Okay, cool. Come on, invocation error. Errors.commands. Invocation. Error. It's not errors. I'm literally just copying off the thing at this point. Raise event.exception.original. Otherwise, raise event.exception. And I think at this point we're gonna want to do the I have errors and I cannot get up thing. Oh my god. Tiredness has just completely overtaken me. Right, what was the comment you put on there? That comes back in, okay. I need to go into files changed. Oh god, the comment that I left is gone and I don't think I can get rid of it. Okay, cancel review. Okay, oh god, okay, cool. So many spaces. Optional, we can provide a default value simply by what's the default quark. Nice. The bonus sides. Command will have this creates a required in option validation is handled for you. Just go and do that. Cool. Just get that. Cool. Convert the function into a command. Implement a slash command. What is going on here? Oh, because this was all handled down here before. Interesting. Oh, it's 25, yeah. Well, send a message, use respond. Oh, it's all looking very different right now. The diff is far from happy at the moment. I think this is indented wrong. I think that's indented wrong. But I can't tell what is going on here. I have absolutely no idea what's going on here. This one. Let's go to add review comment. That's good though. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here because tiredness has really taken over. I wasn't expected to be able to do 3 hours, but I did it already. My god. You speed. I'm black on it. I could do. But also... Oh, ran black on it. Sorry, I missed that. Welcome, Darken332. And I'm not sure if you noticed earlier, but you got a gift sub. That's good. That's the thing I was going for. Okay, that's just that. I keep thinking it's because I have the side-by-side diff, because I cannot use the other diff. Just something my brain will not accept as a valid thing. Okay, that looks fine now. My other comment has literally just disappeared completely. That looks fine. Does that need a slash in it? Actually, it probably doesn't, does it? Because the name, yeah, the name is used for it. Yeah, that looks fine. I reckon we give that a heckin' merge. Oh, we've got the theme. No, I'll give it a rebase and merge because I can't be asked to change what mode it's currently in. There we go. That's the Hikari intro one updated. Color theme, and then what is it? App Varun. We're looking for the celestial one. Well, that's very dark. That's pretty alright. Okay, so we've got handling errors pretty much done. I don't know how many I'm actually going to handle. I've got a smidgen of energy back, so we're gonna quickly just make sure we got over this properly. But only I don't really know how many I really want to put in, to be honest. Well, that's the converter failure thing. I probably want to put the converter failure in actually. Because that is like invalid argument. Can you do? Let's convert a failure option. The option that cannot be converted. Okay, it does have that. Fantastic. Oh, there's italicized stuff. Interesting. Where is the event handler? Here it is. Not enough arguments. If is instance event.exception. I've also just realized that I've done all the things wrong here. These need to be .exception. Lightbulb dot converter failure. Then await event context dot respond. An invalid argument at the that would be events dot exception dot option. Is invalid. Probably just actually stick that one line. It's outside the 88. I'm gonna put it down. Yeah, I've kind of. Yeah, after finding out that black's default is 88, I've kind of gotten a lot more in tune with 88 over 79. I do think 88 is quite a bit nicer, so I try to stick to 88 now. 79 does make the code just a little bit too short, which is a bit annoying. Right, I'm going to test the command error a bit. I'm not going to test it hugely, to be honest, but so it'll be 1 divided by 0. Oops. It's the slash. That's modified the slash. I'm sure it has. Also, why are the the operators are italicized? What? Why are the operators italicized? Who decided that was a good idea? Well, at least I can see the cursor on this theme. It's more than I could do for the other one. I have errored and I cannot get up. Lightbulb has no attribute. Command invocation error. Which I don't think it is. It might be though. Oh, for Christ's sake, how badly did I screw this up? Okay, there we go. Exception event, but it has been ignored. Okay, cool. Okay, that's fine. Alright, well, I'm going to call it here because we're about to hit 2 hours. I will terminal. If you remind me next stream, I will put this theme back on for a bit because it hasn't been on for a long time. So I'll put it on at the start of next stream, which would hopefully be Wednesday. We will see. Hopefully. Yeah, thanks for everyone for stopping by. Thanks for the follows and subs, the people that did. And I will see you hopefully soon for the video that was supposed to go out today. But hasn't quite. That will go up in the next few days. And then hopefully you'll be able to stick on the standard schedule. And yeah, see you later, everyone. Bye. God, now I've just got to end the stream. It's harder than it looks, apparently.